In Learn 2.0, you can favorite lessons and resources, and you can find them on your My Learn page. Let's do that. First, let's click over to the search page. Then select the tab with the resources you're interested in saving. Today, let's look at lessons. You can find a lesson to favorite by entering terms in the search bar, or by using the filters dropdown to narrow your search, selecting by grade level, subject, standard, and course. For this example, let's use filters. Let's do it first by subject. Let's do science. And then by grade. Let's do ninth grade. Once you find a lesson you'd like to save, select the bookmark button in the top right-hand corner of the lesson summary box, and it's saved. Let's grab a couple more lessons from these results we like. Maybe this one about space storms, and let's do this one about karyotypes. To find content that you've previously saved on your account, click on the K20 Learn icon in the upper left-hand corner of the website. On the My Learn page, you should now see a Favorites tab with all the content you've saved. If we select the Favorites tab, we'll see that the 3 lessons we saved have now shown up.